Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sorry there was a problem with your request on Instagram. So guys, if you're trying to log in your Instagram account on your device but you are unable to log in your account and you are facing this pop-up again and again, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on date and time, and from here turn on the toggle for set automatically from here and go back, and from here tap on language and region, scroll it below and select your country or region correctly, again go back, and from here tap on VPN and device management, and if you have connected any VPN on your device then disconnect it, and if you have not connected any VPN on your device then connect any VPN with your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And after this go back and from here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and from here reset your network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then open the general section, and after this scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage, and from here scroll it below and tap on your Instagram from here, and from here offload your Instagram for one time. So guys, do this, and after this go back to your home screen, and now you have to open your app store and search here for Instagram. So guys, here it is, and now download and install the latest version of Instagram in your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there then you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that simply press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.